So just as products are a shorthand method for writing repeated addition, we can use exponents as a shorthand method for writing repeated multiplication. The definition of an exponential form is thus. Let a and n be natural numbers, that is, whole numbers that are greater than 0. The expression that has n factors of a is written in the exponential form as follows, where a to the n is a times a times a times a, however many a, we have n different factors of a being multiplied together. In the expression, the a is called the base and n is called the exponent. The expression a to the n is called the power, which is read as a to the nth. So some examples. 4 to the 5th is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and read it as 4 to the 5th. A to the 2nd is a times a, and you can read it as a to the 2nd, or you can say a squared. A to the 3rd, a times a times a. It's also known as a cubed. And in general, a to the nth is a times a times a, n factors of a. Note that any number raised to the exponent of 1 equals itself. So a to the 1 just means you have one factor of a, so just a. And let's try some examples. Let's rewrite each of these in exponential form. So 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. Well, the base is 12, and the exponent is 4. So there are 4 copies of 12, so 12 to the 4th. 31 times 31 times 31. The base is 31, and there are 3 copies, so 31 to the 3rd. And then part C, a times a times a times a times b times b. Well, you have to do this in 2 parts. The a part is there are 4 of them, so a to the 4th, and then the b is squared. So that mess simplifies as a to the 4th and b squared. All right, let's try an application. Find the volume of each cube in the exponential form, then find the volume. So note, volume of a cube is length times width times height. So in this case, for the part A, the bottom edge, 1, 3, there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the volume is going to be 5 times 5 times 5, or 5 to the 3rd. And that comes out to be 125 cubes. For part B, each length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, the volume is going to be 6 to the 3rd, which is 216.